Hi, I'm going to walk you through the landing page and through a few resources that will be provided to you each week. So each week we will have a landing page in pretty much the same format. This link right here, or this picture, is a link to take you to the ICCSD online information page. So if you ever need to see like schedules or have questions about anything, that is the link for you. This message will go right here in the weekly message. But underneath that, we will have kind of a rough outline of our week. We will have 1, 2, or 3 days depending on the week. So this first week, since we started on a Tuesday, I will only see you twice. So that's day 1.1, so week 1, day 1, and then week 1, day 2 is 1.2. And then we had no remote assignments this first week, so there's nothing in there. These links will take you to the slides, but there's really no assignment. You'll see Thursday, or Friday, if I see you Friday, that there is a Google form due, and you'll turn in one per team. So that's called the team intros. That's the only thing you need to turn in this week, other than just participation in our Pear Deck slides, which you all did great with on the first day. So the other resources on this page will be sharing some sort of tip or organization strategy, and that is to accept my invitation on Google Calendar. That was sent on Monday afternoon, and remember, that can just stay in your Google Calendar, so it alerts you when class is. It always has the right time, and it always has that Zoom link right there ready to go. So I think it's the easiest way to keep track of all these classes. The last thing here is, if you want to schedule one-on-one office hours with me, there is a link right here. So this might be during asynchronous time. If these fill up, I will obviously provide a few more options, maybe asynchronous times on Monday or Tuesday, or over the weekend, maybe on Sundays if you really need something. Really, what this is for is if you have a question that is like personal to you that you don't want to ask in a whole group, you can schedule a 15-minute block with me. So let's say that we wanted to schedule time on Thursday the 10th. When you click on that, it will come up with all the times that are available to meet with me. Let's say that you want to meet with me at 11 a.m. You would click that and confirm. And then here you put your name and email so I know who's coming. You can also add guests. So let's say that you are working on something with your team and the whole team had a question. You could schedule a time where all of you can log in and meet with me. That's perfectly fine if you want more than one person. Also, please fill out this little box here. It says, share anything that will help prepare for our meeting. So, for example, if you were writing a paper and you wanted feedback on it, just put that in there so I can read the paper ahead of time so that I don't have to waste 10 of our 15 minutes reading the paper. I can just come ready with feedback. So that will help me be prepared and help us be a little bit more efficient with our time. And then you just hit schedule event and it gets added to my calendar. So going back here, our landing page will also have these technical support links that will always be there. That's if you're having problems with your home internet, with your Chromebook, anything like that. Those are the links to follow. So the other resources, really quick, that are on this Canvas site, if you go to the home page, this also has all of your Zoom links here for every day. Just click on that and it will take you to your period's Zoom link. And then in our modules, please just read through these these little, or not really questions, little bits of information. There's a link to the syllabus, a link to all the resources online that we'll be using. There's my contact information. This first page is a description of what these little emojis mean that are on all of your Canvas things. And then it explains a little bit about how the class is set up and hints for navigating the course. So I think those are pretty useful. As we go along, I will unlock more. As you can see, the landing page and then the slides from the first day are unlocked. Slides from the second day are not yet, but will be once you have class. So let me know if you have any questions. You can also use this class question board. So any questions from the syllabus, anything from class, you can post there. You can post anonymously. You can post from your name. But it's just a nice place where if you have a question, probably someone else does too, a question about grading or anything, and then I can answer and everybody can see the response. So let me know if you have any more questions, and I will see you in class soon.